Norman Osborn, businessman, industrial tycoon, founder of Oscorp, and of course, supervillain. Sounds like a fun guy. Today on Heroes and Villains, we're drawing the sinister Green Goblin. Let's begin this drawing in the center of our page with the lower edge of the brow. So leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side and draw a curve that goes up, and then we'll bend that out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going up, and then out. And it'll curl up the inside of the brow. Starting back on the left, I'm going to bend this in, and then pull that up, go to the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Let's start on the left side. We're going to step in, draw a half circle. All the way around towards the bottom, and we'll pull that up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down, and then up. Now we want to draw two small circles for the pupils, but we're going to push them towards the inside. So let's start on the left, draw a small circle, and then we'll line this up on the right, and then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's move in between the eyes and draw the nose. We're going to start by lining up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center, and we're going to start on the left side, curve the nose, coming down, and then up. And then we'll step up and draw a small curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. I also want to add a thick fold along the inside of the eyes. Starting from the left, we curve this down and then bend that out. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start directly underneath the left pupil, starting down here, curve up just underneath the nose, and then back down. Now we're going to round this out and go up towards the corners of the mouth. Let's add a bracket to the corners of the mouth. Starting out here, curve up and then down. I'm going to go back to the bottom of this curve, draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down, and then back up. Now I'm going to step down, draw a short curve for the lower lip. Let's separate out the teeth. From the left side, we're going to step up, just going to curve down and then in. Now we just want to cross this like a T. Come straight down towards the bottom of the mouth, and we'll fill the outside corners in black. Let's move out and draw the side of the head coming down towards the chin. From the left eye, we're going to step out, just curve the head, coming down, round this out, and then pull that into right about there. Just line this up on the right and do the same thing. We come down, and then just pull that in. And then we'll add a slight bump along the bottom of the chin. Starting from the left, come down, and then back up on the right. Let's go back up and draw the inside edge of the hat. Starting from the left side, just going to curve this up over the eye, and we'll bend that down in the middle. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, round it out, and then come down on the right side. Let's enhance the brow by adding a fold along the top. We're going to start on the left side, just going to curve up, then out, line this up on the right, going up and out. And then move out to the side and draw those large pointed ears. Starting from the left side of the head, curve out, and then up. Let's round out the side of the ear coming down towards the lobe. We'll just bend this out, and pull that in. And then we'll round out the lobe and then pull that up in behind the head. Now we're going to add some folds inside the ear. Starting from the top, step down. Just going to follow that same curve, going out and then up. Now go back to the inside, step out and draw a hook. Going out and then back in. Now we draw the hat flopped over towards the left side. So let's start with the outside edge. Starting from the inside of the ear, step out, go up, and just bend that in for the fold. And then from here, we'll step out and draw the top of the head, going all the way up in the middle, round out the head, and we'll just pull that down on top of the ear. And then the tip of the hat's going to come down underneath the ear towards the left side. So let's start on the outside of the ear, curve down, and then bend that out. I'm just going to pull that down and then up in behind the head. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the sides of the body, starting from the left side of the chin, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Go to the right, go out, and down towards the same height. Let's connect the left and right hip with a curve, coming down and up. And I'm going to step up and draw that same curve for the top of the belt. Let's draw that strap going across the body. We're going to start from the top on the left, curve down, and out toward the top of the belt on the right side. And I just want to thicken this up. Stepping in, just trace that same curve going out. And then we'll continue working down with the legs. In the center, we're going to step down, draw a short line going across the lower torso. Now on the left side, we'll curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Go to the right side, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, we'll curve the foot, going down and then up. Let's curl the tip of the boot. Starting back on the left, we go out and hook that back in, almost like drawing a bracket. Now I just want to pull this down towards the bottom. Come down and then in. Let's go to the inside of the curve, come in and then up toward the top edge of the boot. And then from the outside, we'll curve the boot, coming down and then back up on the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg tucked in behind the boot. So let's start from the left, curve the leg going out, and then down. We'll leave a little overlap on the outside. And we'll curve the boot going back in behind the leg. Starting from the outside, go up and in. Let's go back up and draw the bottom edge of the shorts. Starting from the left side of the lower torso, curve up and then out. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's go back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start with the arm on the left holding a pumpkin grenade. So from the top of the body, we're going to step out, curve the arm, coming down and then out towards the wrist, and it will curl around the thumb. Starting from the wrist, we're going to go up and then down. Let's round up the tip of the thumb and then go back up. And we'll draw in the palm. Draw a short curve coming down and in. Let's layer a circle in behind the thumb. Start from the top of the thumb, drawing that circle, going up, down, and then back up underneath the thumb. And we'll draw the tips of 3 fingers on the outside. Starting from the left, draw a small half circle, leave a gap, draw another one, and we'll draw one more along the bottom. And then from the inside of the last finger, we draw the palm, coming down, and then hook that up. And we're going to step down, draw the bottom of the arm, coming in, and then up in behind the body. And then halfway along the top of the arm, we'll draw the edge of the glove, curving in, and then back out. Let's draw the face of the pumpkin. We need a gap in the center. We'll draw 2 straight angle lines going up and out. And we'll connect the outside to the inside with a half circle, and the one on the right is going to get tucked in underneath the thumb. We'll fill the eyes in black. And then we'll draw in the mouth. Starting right in the middle, start with a point, come down and out toward the left and right, go up and out. Let's trace this out along the bottom. Down, up, and up on the inside. We'll fill the mouth in black. Let's add the wick over on the left side. Start with 2 straight lines going out, close off the end with a straight line. And then we'll add a simple flame going around the wick. Starting from the inside, curve around and out. Now just curl that back up toward the tip of the flame, curve out, and then back in toward the side of the wick. Let's move over and draw on the right arm. Start by lining up the inside of the arm, curve out and down towards the wrist, and then from the wrist we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb. At the end of the thumb, we'll draw a small bracket. Then we'll add 3 fingers, starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve down, and then up around the bracket, step down, curve down and up the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go out, then the arm coming up, and then in underneath the head. And then halfway along the inside of the arm, we'll draw the edge of the glove, going up, and then bend that out. Now I'm going to add that pouch on the right hip, starting from the top of the strap, draw a straight line going out, come straight down, and then pull that back in behind the leg. And that's pretty much it. There's the Green Goblin. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.